Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share few important things regarding the Ayurveda way of drinking water. Water is nourishing, cool in quality, it helps in digestion, cools and balances Pitta dosha, supports Kapha, counteracts the dryness of Vata. It nurtures, lubricates and detoxifies our body. Drinking water is an art. Ayurveda explains few guidelines regarding water intake. It is important to drink water in right way, right time and right quantity. Let us discuss them in detail. First thing is Ushapana or drinking water in morning. Ayurveda explains in Dinacharya or daily routine drinking water in the morning on empty stomach at Brahmi Muhurta. Before brushing, immediately after getting up, we have to drink water stored in copper vessel. According to Ayurveda, this Ushapana acts as rejuvenating therapy. It helps to get rid of constipation, heart diseases, abdominal diseases and hair problem. If you drink water in empty stomach, it reaches colon in few minutes. But if you drink water when food is in stomach, it takes minimum 30 minutes to reach the colon. Benefits of Ushapana are copper water washes away ama and moves it to the excretory channels. As a result, constipation, hyperacidity and dyspepsia are prevented or treated. It aids in strengthening the digestive fire. Copper water is positively charged and it can balance all three doshas. Daily practice of Ushapana stimulates the kidneys to perform its functions normally. Absorption, circulation and excretion of impurities happens normally. Next thing is how to drink water. Water should always be consumed while one is seated. Just like we sit and eat, it is important to sit while drinking water. Sitting helps in proper and efficient absorption and distribution of the water consumed. Water should be consumed in small sips throughout the day. Drink the water in small sips, swallow it and then take a breath and continue. It helps in reducing stress on heart and gives the body more time to absorb. It also helps in preventing dilution of blood and gastric juices. Ayurveda explains one should not drink water while standing or moving. The water we drink while standing goes to the stomach with force and would not quench the thirst. In the same way, one should not gulp down in big volumes in one breath. These type of practices leads to indigestion and even arthritis. What should be the temperature of drinking water? Ayurveda never recommends drinking of cold water or ice cold water. Ice cold water will cause many health issues in long run. It will disturb digestion and also will cause constipation, heart disease and kidney failure. Always drink water at room temperature or warm water. If the temperature is too hot and the person really wants to drink cold water, drink the water stored in clay pot. Nowadays, varieties of claywares are available to store the water. Water stored in clay pot cools the water naturally and it balances the pH of water. When to drink water? Thirst is a natural indication given by our body when it requires water for functioning. It is important to drink water whenever we are thirsty. If you are thirsty, drink water. When you listen to the signals of thirst and sip water throughout the day. When you feel thirsty or dryness of lips, drink water immediately. Another indication is dark colored urine. Urine should be clear and straw colored. If it is yellow or dark in color, then it is the indication that body is dehydrated and you need to drink more water. Regarding the quantity of water, the universal rule of 8 glasses of water per day or 2 to 3 liters per day is simply not applicable to everyone. It depends upon age, physical workout, weather, diet, stress level and body type. The warm Pitta types usually thirstier than watery Kapha type. Vata types are usually have dry skin and need to drink more water. The relation between food and water. One should not drink a lot of water just before or immediately after meals. Drinking water just before meals causes weakness and digestive disturbances. In the same way, if you drink a lot of water after meals is similar to poison and it leads to obesity. According to Ayurveda, the preferred ratio of food and water in stomach is 50% food, 25% water and 25% empty space for proper digestion of food. So, Ayurveda recommends drinking water while having meals. Make sure don't drink but sip a minimum amount of warm or hot water. It softens the food and helps for easy digestion. There is one saying for the benefits of warm water as Ajirne bheshajam vari, jirne vari balapradam, bhojane cha amritam vari, bhojanante vishapradam. Means, in case of indigestion, water acts as medicine and for healthy person it gives strength, and in between meals it acts as nectar, and at the end of meals it acts as poison. Ayurveda recommends you should not drink cold water while eating. Cold water affects digestion and results in the collection of toxins in the system. Friends, the human body cannot carry out and sustain its functions without water. It not only quenches thirst and regulates body temperature, it helps to produce saliva, it helps to excrete waste through perspiration, urination and defecation. It protects our joints, tissues and spinal cord. Also helps to maximize physical performance, helps to prevent constipation, aids in digestion, helps with the nutrient absorption, helps you to lose weight, and it improves blood oxygen circulation, helps to fight against diseases and boost our energy, aids in cognitive function and helps to improve mood. It also helps keep the skin bright. It promotes unnecessary weight gain and removes byproducts of fat to keep us fresh and healthy. It curbs hunger at all times of the day and prevents overeating. It prevents dehydration that slows down bodily functions and metabolism. So, water is one of the most important resources on planet. Without water, life cannot exist. Each drop of water is precious. But sad part is drinking water is only 1% out of Earth's 60% water. So don't waste water and save water for next generation. Drink water with awareness. Friends, these guidelines are very simple but they can make serious changes in our health. Thank you for watching.